Well, I'm up 2.3% so far this week on the daily charts, so let me show you how. Hi everybody, Andrew Mitchem here, the Forex Trading Coach, and that's right, I'm up 2.3% so far this week, trading just the daily charts, trading with 0.25% risk per trade and from just 5 trades. I've had 4 profitable trades and 1 losing trade, and a fantastic 2.3%. And it just shows that with very low risk per trade, but high risk to reward trades, how you can make amazing trades yourself, but from taking very little chart time. And that's a really important thing. Those trades took me probably 5 to 10 minutes once per day just to scan through the charts, place the position and leave them. That was it. And to achieve a huge result, 2.3% so far. Still got 3 trades open behind me here as we head into the rest of Friday. So this week we've seen some huge increases and some big decreases. And it's really been quite one-sided depending on which currency pair we're talking about for the entire week. The biggest gain has been the New Zealand dollar. Huge strength in the New Zealand dollar all week. It's just gone up and up and up against almost all other currencies. We've also seen strength continue in the euro this week. Like I mentioned a couple of weeks ago, it was probably going to turn around. Remember a couple of weeks ago I said that, and it has. It's continued to rise this week against almost all other currencies. So we've seen the New Zealand dollar massive strength. We've seen the euro continue to increase. We've seen the Australian dollar increase this week. We've seen the British pound increase this week. And today we're seeing some Canadian dollar strength, but at the same time we've seen huge weakness in especially the Japanese yen, but also in the US dollar. And the US dollar has come about from the weak non-farm payroll performance. Now, on last week's video, I made it before the non-farm payroll announcement, and the results obviously came out quite bad for the US dollar, which has just weakened the US dollar all this week. Where it's going next week, hard to tell right now, but we need some good, clear price action on the daily charts to determine where we're looking for into next week. But as we stand right now, definitely Kiwi strength, Aussie strength, Euro strength, British pound strength. And that looks like to continue until the end of this week. The other thing I want to talk to you on this video about today is to stress the importance of choosing a broker who uses a 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, that's New York time, start of day and start of week time. It's really important because that's the unofficial start of the trading week, the Forex trading week. Now, for whatever reason, and I don't know why, so many brokers out there on their daily charts have a 6-day week. They have what's called a Sunday candle, which lasts just a few hours, somewhere between about 1 and 4 or 5 hours. And it's a real pain. And in my opinion, don't go near those brokers. Use a broker who uses the correct charts. So to find that, ask them if they start their new day and their new week at 5 p.m. New York time. Now, it's really interesting. I want to share a quick story with you. I've had 2 brokers over the last 6 months who have both come to me and said, "Hey, Andrew, would you promote us?" And I said, well, not really, because, I only promote brokers who I personally use myself. And these 2 brokers, one of them is Go Markets and the other is Think Forex. Both of them have changed their chart time as a result of talking to me, and both have gone to 5 p.m. New York time, Eastern Standard Time as their start of day time. Go Markets changed several months ago, and Think Forex is changing on the 19th of April, all as a result of talking to me and getting my opinion of the importance of it. The importance is this. If you don't use those correct charts, it completely distorts your figures. It distorts any indicators you're using on the daily charts or the 4-hourly charts. It distorts your pivot points, your support and resistance levels. Have a look at a proper charting package that uses a 5-day week. Compare what you see on those charts with what you might have on a 6-day week that does not use American 5 p.m. start of daytime. If you need any more details about that, just send me an email to info@theforextradingcoach.com, and I'll explain in more detail about the importance of choosing the right charting package. So that's it for this week. Hope you have a fantastic weekend and look forward to talking to you this time next week with some more Forex news.